In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for personal use. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to effectively manage your tasks and projects using Monday.com, ensuring that you make the most out of its features for personal productivity. Whether you're organizing your home projects, planning your next vacation, or just trying to streamline your everyday tasks, Monday.com provides a flexible, intuitive platform to help you achieve your goals. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Monday.com website. Simply open your web browser and type in Monday.com into the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll find yourself on their homepage filled with vivid visuals and an inviting interface. This is where your personal organization journey begins. Next, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. If you already have an account, you'll be ready to proceed. For those who haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account, which is quite straightforward and similar to any usual sign-up process. After clicking Login, you'll see an option to log in using Google. This is a convenient option if you're looking to save time and not want to hassle with remembering another password. Click on Google and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the one you wish to associate with Monday.com and you'll be logged into your dashboard. Now that you're in, take a look at the left panel on your screen. You'll notice a plus icon. Click this icon to reveal more options. This is the key to unlocking pre-made templates that Monday.com has to offer, which are incredibly useful for quickly setting up your projects. When you click on the plus sign, navigate to the template center. Here you'll find an extensive range of templates suited for various needs. To find something tailored for personal use, click on the tab labeled From Our Experts. This section is curated by Monday.com to provide you with templates that have been designed by experts to optimize personal productivity. Explore the available templates and choose the one that best fits your specific needs. There are numerous options, whether you're looking to manage your daily tasks, a personal project, or even a hobby. Once you find the perfect template, click on Use Template. This step imports the selected template into your board, making it ready for use. Now, with your chosen template in place, you can start customizing it to suit your personal requirements. Set plans, create deadlines, track progress, and even label tasks as done as you complete them. With these tools and a bit of customization, you'll be well on your way to enhanced personal productivity using Monday.com. That's it. You're all set to start managing your personal projects efficiently. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.